Hi everybody. I wanted to show you all how to find your work for week 3, April 6th through 9th. The first and easiest way to find this is to go through Seesaw. Okay. And I sent everybody the link in their messages. So far I have the English one translated here. When you open it like this, it's kind of a little funky. I would definitely recommend you click on this arrow down here and open it via maybe Chrome, Google Chrome. You're going to open it in Chrome. And if you have Drive on your computer, it can take you, or your iPad, it can take you there. And I also like to change the view here to print layout. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but this is what it looks like. So here is this week's plans. Okay, I did remove the project portion since we have a couple of more sections in our days. And you'll notice that we have April 6th, April 7th, April 8th, and April 9th, which is Thursday. There is no school for us on April 10th because it is Good Friday. I wanted to quickly just show you up here at the top again. Some of the main points here are the highlights for this week. The first thing, and probably the most important thing, is that starting this week, week 3, we are taking attendance. So student attendance will be taken every day, and in order to be marked present, you must participate. So in Zoom meetings and completing assigned work. There is a schedule that I sent out that has suggested times and whatnot. But it does not matter what time of day that you do those assignments, as long as I see you working on them and submitting them in Seesaw. That is the biggest thing. So don't worry about too much about the schedule and what time you're doing them. Just do as much as you can. The only thing that you do have to be aware of is that 3 times a week, every week we'll be having Zoom meetings, and those will always have a set time. So please make sure to check the schedule. You can go down and see, like, for example, on April 6th, we do have a Zoom meeting. And it tells you what time today. It's at 11. I will try and keep them all at the same time at 11, just for ease. But we'll only be doing them 3 times a week. So, for example, on Tuesday, there will be no meeting this week. On April 8th, on Wednesday, there's going to be a meeting at 11. And as well as Thursday this week. But typically, if we have school on the Friday, then we'll have a Zoom meeting on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. But no school this Friday, so we're going to meet on Thursday. Okay? So that's one thing that's new as well, or 2 things, I guess. Don't forget to also be sharing your answer to the morning meeting question on Padlet. Next, we have office hours, and this was also on the schedule that I sent you guys. But me and Mrs. Vargas will be available every day of the school week to help you answer questions, or just to talk if you want. And those times will be from 8:30 to 9 and 2 to 2:30. So 8:30 in the morning till 9:30 or 9 in the morning, and 2 in the afternoon to 2:30. And you can message us on Seesaw, or you can contact us via email. So that's another new thing here. And then please make sure that you're looking at the daily work for reading, writing. Phonics is new this week, math, and then social studies is also new this week. The total amount of these should be around 90 minutes. And please make sure that you're using Seesaw activities when you are doing your work, so that it's easy for all of us to see what you're up to. I wanted to share with you, this is something that the Illinois State Board of Education has set, and the recommendations that we will be trying to follow. So if you see right here, 2nd grade is the minimum amount of work is 45 minutes and the maximum is 90 minutes per day. That does not include Zoom meetings or answering morning meetings, any of the techie kind of like Lexia or Imagine Learning, I do not count is in that 90 minutes either. So you can see those are some options that you have. But really the 90 minutes that you guys should be focusing on every day are these activities for the reading, writing, phonics, math, and social studies. And then again, these ones are more like not necessarily optional, but you have some wiggle room with those, okay? But the ones that I definitely need you to be working on are these ones here, okay? Please check out the other videos that I am sending, and hopefully some of your other teachers will be sending in Spanish. Some screencasts on how to do reading, how to do the writing activities, the phonics, math, and social studies for the week. Okay, hopefully I will see you at 11 on Zoom.